Hello dear traders, today is the 23rd of April, Thursday. This is your latest market insight prepared exclusively for InstaForex. Today the United States will disclose the number of initial unemployment claims and services PMI data. Let's turn our attention to the trading charts. Gold is losing value. Notably, the upward trend was broken on April 21st. We saw a considerable decline which allowed the asset to trade below swing highs. One of the swing highs was tested yesterday during the European session. Curiously, despite the impressive drop, the instrument failed to update the low recorded on April 13. Thus, we may see another slump that could be a part of the five-wave structure. The most noticeable waves are the third and the fifth. On the 4-hour chart, the unbroken area is clearly seen. There's also a tumble that took place in March. It means that the price may form a new downward wave in late April or early May. At least, the levels around 4600 could be broken. Under such conditions, traders may follow bearish setups. The euro-dollar pair is also falling. The price may slide as much as to the level of 1.1390. This is the low recorded in August. The pound-dollar pair resisting a downward trend. However, the first downward targets are seen at 1.3379. Now the asset is hovering at 1.3474, which is likely to be broken. It is quite possible that the decline will be triggered by the news from the United States. If the news supports the greenback, the pound sterling could break the mentioned targets. By the way, the instrument is exerting considerable pressure on the weekly lows. Thus, there are two possible scenarios. The price may tumble from the current levels, or it may climb to a swing high and start losing value very rapidly. The Australian dollar is copying the dynamic of other majors. It is also forming a big three-wave structure. It may either slide from the current levels or show a jump to a swing high that will be followed by a decrease. Meanwhile, the USD-CAD pair failed to reach its swing low. The dollar-yen pair is trading within the range without showing a drop. The level of 157.35 has not been broken yet. That's why we're waiting for upward breakouts to enter the market with the target seen 3,000 pips lower. That's all I have to say for you now. See you next time.